Welcome. In this module, we look at the controls appendix, and this is the 11th part of that, and we're going to look at information security incidents. Now, this is the layout for discretionary controls for the appendix, for the 114 controls. And as you can see, A16 is information security incident management, and it has 7 controls. Now, A16.1, the first control objective for information security incident management, has these controls: responsibilities and procedures, reporting information security events, reporting information security weaknesses, assessment of and decision on information security events. And then continuing with 3 more controls, total 7 controls in this control objective: management of information security incidents and improvements. We have response to information security incidents, learning from information security incidents, and collection of evidence for information security incidents. Now let's take a look at some of these. Reporting information security events. Information security events shall be reported through appropriate management channels as quickly as possible. So we need to decide in advance, whenever an incident happens, how the event will be reported and how it will be quickly communicated to the right people, to the incident management committee or the personnel responsible for handling the incident. And depending on what type of incident has happened, this information needs to travel quickly and needs to be communicated quickly so that the response activity and the other steps can be conducted quickly as well, without wasting any other time. Reporting information security weaknesses. Employees and contractors using the information systems and services shall be required to note and report any observed or suspected information security weaknesses in systems or services. So what happens is sometimes it's not an incident. Sometimes it's a weakness that could lead to a future incident. So we need to control and make users aware not only how to report the incidents in the previous control, but also to report the potential security weaknesses or lapses. Response to information security incidents. Now, information security incidents shall be responded to in accordance with the documented procedures. So, depending on what incident has happened, there's an analysis, there's an evaluation, there's a risk understanding, and then you may pass on information to other people, and then you need to take measures so that respond to the incident so that we can maintain the availability or the continuity of the IT processing facilities. Learning from information security incidents. This is very important because different people may be involved in the incident at different times, and we need to develop a knowledge base. And this could be done by maintaining a repository online, for example. Knowledge gained from analyzing and resolving information security incidents shall be used to reduce the likelihood or impact of future incidents. So this is like a frequently asked questions or a kind of an encyclopedia where you would document the incidents, when they happened, how they happened, who was involved, what were the symptoms, what was the impact, and what should you do if such an incident happens in the future, and how was it controlled, how much time did it take, and lessons learned. Okay, so we looked at incidents and incident management in this module, and in the next module, we'll take a look at another very important control set, which is business continuity. Thank you. That's all that we have in this module.